Schematic annotation. Sure, you know what it means, giving each component a unique designator. But what happens if your design includes device sheets, those read-only schematics stored on the company server? You still perform a standard schematic annotation if your project includes device sheets. You do this to package multi-part components and allocate a designator to every undesignated component. Note that the standard annotation tool does not attempt to modify the device sheets in your project. Once that's done, you run the board level annotation tool. This tool lets you allocate a different physical designator to the current logical designator that each component has. You can see those designators whenever the design is compiled by clicking on the Compiled Design tab down here. This physical designator is not written back to the component. Instead, they are stored in an annotation file that is part of the project. You then transfer your design changes to the PCB editor in the usual way, where you can perform a positional re-annotation if needed, and pass those changes back to the schematic. Before you print your schematics, you'll also need to annotate the compiled sheets to make sure each sheet has a unique sheet number. When you're ready to print, make sure you enable the Use Physical Documents options. That way, the PDF will display the physical designators and document numbers.